Hello guys, welcome back. Since it is the season of mangoes now, I thought of coming up with 3 different mango smoothie bowls. Smoothie bowls are so filling and can be had as a whole meal itself. Now let's get started. So first we shall see the ragi mango smoothie bowl. In a saucepan, add in 3/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of ragi flour. Now mix well such that the ragi flour is completely mixed in water without any lumps. No need to switch on the flame at this stage. Let us mix the ragi flour well with the water and then we can switch on the flame. Now that the ragi flour is completely mixed in water, we can switch on the stove and keep stirring. Keep cooking in a very low flame. Keep stirring continuously and cook so that the ragi flour doesn't get stick to the bottom. Slowly the ragi flour will start to get thick and glossy. Keep stirring continuously at this stage. The ragi flour is almost cooked now. Keep stirring continuously without leaving it. The entire process takes close to 7 to 8 minutes. See, now the ragi flour has become very much glossy. You can switch off at this stage and let it cool down. Let the ragi flour cool down. Meanwhile, we can start preparing the mango puree. In a blender jar, add in the pulp from one mango, that is close to 1 cup, and blend until creamy. Now add this blended mango pulp to the cool down ragi flour and mix well. Mix well such that it is completely mixed with the ragi flour. Now transfer the ragi mango smoothie to a serving bowl. The smoothie part is now done, so let us start with the toppings. Now I have added chopped mangoes, pomegranate and chia seeds for topping this smoothie bowl, but it is totally optional. You can customize it as per your wish and availability of ingredients. If you observe, I have not added any sugar to the smoothie bowl. The sweetness from the mangoes itself were sufficient for me. So enjoy your delicious ragi mango smoothie bowl. The next one is the mango smoothie bowl with chocolate. In a blender, add in 2 cup of mango pulp and 2 tablespoons of hung curd and blend it until creamy. Now transfer it to a serving bowl. Again, in the smoothie bowl, I have used some interesting toppings. I have used rose petals, chocolate chips, sunflower seeds and rolled oats. Again, feel free to customize it as per your wish. See, in this smoothie bowl also I have not added any sweeteners, so I thought why not chocolate chips. You know what, my kid even liked this as it had chocolate chips in it. Now enjoy your smoothie bowl. Next smoothie bowl is an interesting one. It is a tender coconut mango smoothie bowl. In a blender, add in 1 cup of mango pulp and half cup of tender coconut flesh. Blend them together until creamy. Now transfer everything to a smoothie bowl. The sweetness from the mangoes and the tender coconut is itself sufficient for me, so I didn't add anything extra. For my toppings in the smoothie bowl, I have used pomegranate, sliced almonds, cucumber seeds and chia seeds. Feel free to customize it and change it as per your wish. This is the best thing about the smoothie bowl because we don't have any measurements or no restrictions. We can add in all the favorite ingredients and enjoy our smoothie bowl. So now our tender coconut mango smoothie bowl is now ready to be served. So that's it, all the 3 smoothie bowls are now ready. Comment below and let me know which is your favorite smoothie bowl. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more such interesting recipes, please visit my blog www.happytrayer.com. Thanks for watching. See you soon in another video. Bye bye.